Okay, I took this trade here mainly on the 1 minute. Basically, price is trying to come down. We got a little bit higher low here. Didn't see much supply here. The supply was getting weaker here. By that I mean this right here. Supply was getting weaker there. So I was looking at the total volume here compared to here, the volume delta compared to here, and it just didn't seem like it was going to go anywhere. So I got in just as this candle here turned color. It was a Maru open, which means there was no wick at the top, and it was going down. As soon as it reversed, I got in just above the open right there. So actually I got in prior to the open. Sorry. My target is going to be, I need to move that. It's going to be up here in this area right here. I can always adjust it. I just want to get it out of the way right now. All we need to be able to do is close somewhere above this area right here. There's an area right here. All we need to be able to do is get a candle to close above there, and we should be able to get here. So I'm going to trail this a little bit. I don't want to give it too much a chance to come back down. So we got to here, which is, there's some highs here. If we can close, I'll drag this one in here because that's the highest one. If we can close above that, we have a chance to go. So we need to close above that. I was also looking at the hourly. It looks like that's going to try to hold again. And the reason it looks like it's trying to hold is the volume delta here is 4 times the volume delta, even though the volume's pretty close. So that could be telling us that it could be getting a roll back over and come down and retest something again. So I'm going to move this up a little bit. But I was also looking at the hourly. I'm trying to watch this. The hourly had a level here. Connect that fractal right there to that fractal right there, and it was going to, it did hold twice here, and I was trying to see if it was going to hold it a third time. These make very good support resistance levels, and plus you could connect those two right there, and this didn't get to that one. I know a lot of people don't watch that or don't understand it, but those are things I look at. Plus I drew this level here, right here, this low of this candle here, and if this was going to hold, then that means that this candle here would close back inside that candle there. So that's what I was looking at. Okay, we did close above here, so now we're getting more demand here, but I'm still looking at the volume delta here compared to the volume delta here. That's a lot of volume delta to not gain much there. So I should trail this. I'll trail it to this fractal right here is what I'll do. I want to give it room to grow, but I want to protect some profits too. So my target right now is right here at this level here. I probably could lower it to somewhere in this area here. Probably could lower it to there. I'm not trying to be greedy, I'm just trying to get what I can out of this without I'm going to trail this up to this level right here. Just that right there. I don't want to give anything below that back. So I will go to right there, just below it is where I'm at. 2 ticks below it. That's where I'm at. Still not crazy about the volume delta here compared to the volume delta here, because even though this candle is moving up, it's still not gaining very much. I'm not crazy about that. And we do have a lot of demand right here. But these three here moved pretty easy, but these are not moving very easy. We do have a trend pullback buy and a trend stooges buy, but I'm looking at the numbers here. That's what I'm looking at more than anything. So I'll be taken out here, and that's okay. Right there. That was a decent trade, so I can live with that. Thanks.